Got those eyes staring into my soul. You get that smile when I'm giving you my all. You're the brighter side of things, you're the lighter side of life, and all the joy that you bring is why I need you in my life. But can I call you home? You'll be mine and I'll be yours. I just wanna let you know, in my mind I call you home. In my mind I call you home.
Okay, I can see this is basically just a countdown until I fall over. And trust me, I'm not going to disappoint. I struggle when I'm just holding on to stuff and trying to stand on. This is going to be hilarious. Sing it if you know it.
You be mine and I'll be yours.
Nice.
Oh, I just wanna let you know, in my mind I call you home.
Shout out, shout out.
But now can I call you home? You be mine and I'll be yours. Oh, I just wanna let you know, in my mind I call you home. But now can I call you home? You be mine and I'll be yours. Oh, oh,
Clap if you want to.
oh, yeah. Oh, shout out, shout out, shout out. Oh,
I keep singing, I keep singing.
now that you've gone, I will never be alone. 'Cause in the silence I will listen, in the dark. And shout out, shout out. 'Cause now that you've gone, I will never be alone. 'Cause in the silence I will listen, in the dark.
Last time, last time.
'Cause even now that you were gone, I will never be alone. 'Cause in the silence I will listen, in the dark. You guys, I will whisper in my head, don't let me go. Be right here, don't let me fall asleep before I hear your voice. I'm trying my best, but I can't drown the noise.
Thank you so much. Yes. Sorry about you guys just seeing my ass. To be fair, it's a lovely ass.